domain, and specifically with our solution, the dilemma does not exist. Because by the fact that we're using less energy and less chemicals, we are getting a solution that is substantially less expensive and therefore both environmentally friendly and economical for user. When we are running a project for water desalination, we need to optimize between CAPEX and OPEX, the cost of the system as well as the operation. One of the most substantial things in the operating cost is the cost of energy. When we come to energy cost, we've been implementing many innovations in order to reduce the amount of energy that is needed. In our thermal plants, we are using excess heat, waste heat as a source of energy to create water. In our RO system, we're implementing innovations in the process that really translate into lower energy consumption, such as pressure center that is centralized, used by all, and additional things that will eventually translate into the cost of water. We've been trying to implement the same philosophy that we use and the same experience that we have with very large installations, bringing it into this new product of the program. Everything that we learned in the last 40 years is implemented here, with the emphasis on simplicity, ease of installation, and the fact that you would, in many instances, take that solution and put it at a remote location where you need to have it with as minimal maintenance and hassle around it. We are talking here about the ProGreen product, our new innovation in terms of small, compact, easy to use desalination plant, which is chemical free, first in the market as such. The fact that it's chemical free is not only environmental friendly, but also translate to a lower operating cost for the users. This makes it very simple to handle, simple to operate. It's something that is substantially better for the end users. We find it very important to build modularity into the product. So in that sense, you can start small with a system of 500 cubic meters per day that will serve maybe 3,000 people, and then expand over time to a system of, say, 20,000 that will serve hundreds of thousands of people. This is very important for developing countries. It's becoming even more important for other countries at a time of cash constraint. We want to start small and expand over time.
There's one more here, and this will have a little bit more of an overview of the actual modular device. Really what he's talking about on a modular device in a container. Basically 43 to 53 foot long that we ship overseas, just like on a semi-trailer. So that's the type of box they're putting that technology, 40 years worth of technology inside. The difference really from some of the other Rotec and some of the other vendors that have similar devices is the energy. Susan, if you'd hit that one.
IDE introduces IDE ProGreen, a revolutionary, friendly, cost-effective, compact RO desalination solution. IDE ProGreen is a unique, energy-efficient, plant-in-a-box system that produces high-quality water without the use of chemicals for pretreatment or desalination. Bringing affordable, sustainable, clean water to a wide variety of industries, IDE ProGreen provides all the benefits of a large desalination system in one comprehensive, neat, and compact package. IDE ProGreen implements a combination of two complementary technologies, biofiltration pretreatment and an RO membrane direct osmosis cleaning system, minimizing biofouling and ensuing membrane degradation for optimized product flow, salt rejection at a high recovery rate, and low operating costs. In the pretreatment stage, effective filtration eliminates the use of chemicals, thus enabling a responsible, clean and clean process. Using high-quality materials of construction and a patented VOC membrane cleaning system. IDE propane enables continuous membrane operation and long-term low energy consumption, as well as low maintenance costs for increased ROI. IDE propane is fully customizable to a variety of water sources and customer requirements. Modular and ideal for small to mid-sized projects for industrial applications, agriculture, remote sites, and domestic use. IDE propane meets the highest regulation standards to provide affordable, clean water anytime, anywhere. Bringing yet another industry first to the water desalination market and setting a precedent for the future of environmentally friendly water desalination systems, IDE's propane is a revolutionary, eco-friendly, cost-effective, and compact water production system. IDE propane, sustainable water production.
Just a couple other clips there that actually here in 14 won another global award. But what we're trying to illustrate there is that there's tremendous technologies out there that may be suitable at a very small scale, whether it's a environmental remediation as a cleanup or a sustainable source of water for a very long period of time with significant acre feet. Is further study warranted? Sure could be. Bottom line, has some opportunities, whether it's the Burton Plume that we talked about earlier, or Wilson, or the Dakota Formation in some of these brackish water areas. At what scale? As you heard in that overview, basically one of these particular devices is about 500 cubic meters per day, about 4/10 of an acre foot. Treatment at seawater concentrations. They indicated to us that it would be more efficient in a less, as you tune the system, so the production values could actually go up. The estimated cost of each one of those modular units sounds a little steep, but it's in perspective, it probably isn't. Some of the issues that you address when they do desalinate those particular waters is the water is very, very clean and it's corrosive. So then you have some infrastructural costs, stainless steel, until you can blend it with other water, more native state waters. And then you're going to have the cost of an injection well as they've stripped and as they recycle and push that water back through the system to clean those filters. It's loaded with a very high concentrate brackish water or salt water, and whether it's an injection well, so you could be into another potentially $1 million there if there wasn't a usable, viable source at your location. How many years would it take to treat the waters? Lifespan? There's several questions out there to be addressed, and total volume, even if we're just talking about the Burton salt.